Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Iklas and today we will be doing the teaser of ASBL Landmark by Ashoka Builders, which is located in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this behind me is your marketing office and your land parcel is just a walkable distance from here. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos, but with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. You see, this project is going to be constructed on 6.6 acres of land parcel, featuring in total 4 towers with 3 basement and ground. And for tower A, B and C, there are going to be 19 floors, and tower D is going to have 20 floors. And over here, you are going to have 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residences. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Now, this is going to be the entire connectivity of your road. You are having seamless connectivity to areas like Lakeshore Mall, which is just opposite to the project, Balan Nagar Metro Station, only 100 meters away, and the Begumpet Airport, which is only 30 minutes away. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. So the project comes with modern luxurious amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is 43,000 square feet. Then there's going to be swimming pool, gymnasium, fitness center, and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built-up area, so for 3 BHKs, it is 1695 to 2065, and 3.5 BHK is 2065 to 2560, and lastly 4 BHK is 2860. Coming to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open, and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the actual site location, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of ASBL Landmark by Ashoka Builders located in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.